Well, good morning. It is Monday, April 28th today, and I am going to attempt to do a day in the life vlog. We actually have a pretty jam-packed day, so it should be interesting. And right now it is 7:54 in the morning, and actually we woke up at about 7. Sean woke up last night in the middle of the night, and I brought him into our bed with us, and he actually fell right asleep. So he stayed with us, and then he woke us up this morning saying "Mom, Mom, Mama," and "Dad, Dad, Dad, Dad." So it was super cute. But there he goes saying "Dad, Dad" again. So I'm actually going to quickly try and make breakfast, and we have to get ready to go because we have our baby rhyming class at the library, and that is at 10:30. And after that, there isn't too much time between Hannah's preschool and baby rhyme time. So what we're going to do is we usually go out for lunch or we go to my mom's. So I'm not sure what the plan is yet for today, but we're going to try that. But Hannah was super cute this morning because last night Trevor got her The Lion King, but there wasn't enough time before bed to watch it. So she woke up this morning, I heard her door open, and she must have ran downstairs because she knew that's where the DVD was. And all of a sudden she's like, "Dada, Dada, Dada." And she wanted him to come and get the DVD so she could watch it. We were supposed to watch it last night together, but it was just too late. And so I couldn't say no, so she's watching it. But she has seen a bunch of things The Lion King except for the movie. So she's read tons of Lion King books. She loves to read. And also we went to Disney on Ice a couple months ago, and they had a little part that was The Lion King. So she watched that. Uh-oh, Sean's getting into the closet. And also, what else? The Disney on Ice. And then she's also... Oh, I've showed her little clippets of the songs on YouTube, which she loves to watch. She loves the songs from it. So she's doing that, and I'm going to try and give us breakfast, and then we'll be on our way to baby rhyme time. So I hope you enjoy our day, and we'll see you soon. So I couldn't film at baby rhyme time, but now we are going out for lunch. So we're going to McDonald's, as you can see, because Hannah wants to play at the play structure that they have here. So here, I'll show you her. Just hang on 1 second. Hannah, can you say hi? Where are we going? What book are you reading? What is it?
Now they're happy.
Now they're happy at the end? Is that a Robert Munch book?
Yeah.
Where are we going to eat?
McDonald's!
McDonald's! Are you going to play here?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite thing to play here on? Oh my.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay,
Gummy,
let's go.
yowie, yowie, yowie.
Okay. Are you eating, Sean?
Even though once I could go up in that big tunnel.
Oh, I'm gonna watch.
You're going to go up there?
And
Num,
even
num.
where I could go up in that big tunnel.
Whoop! He's okay. He's okay. Peekaboo! You want to climb up? Aww. Honey, you're so sweet with your brother. Oh, look, he's climbing up. Are you climbing up, Sean? Come on up. Good job. Go that way. Go over here.
Why don't you come up so you can go follow these girls and you can go on the slide right there.
Okay.
And I'll watch you. Go up that way and you'll end up on the slide. But you gotta wait till they go first before you sit down, okay?
I see you, Hannah. Hannah, wave. Hi, Hannah.
Okay, now you wait. Wait till I get to the other end.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, go. What, Sean? Whoa!
To the
Okay. Okay, then come this way.
Slide yourself down.
Yay! Was that fun? You're a big kid now. Sean, what are you doing? What are you doing, sweetie? Climb. You want to climb up, Sean? Want to climb up? Turn around.
Where are you? I see you. We'll see you go on this one.
Good job. What's out there? Birds? Or cars? I have to show Sean's shoes. I don't know if you can see them, but those are his shoes and they're so adorable. Here, I'll go this way. They're like little loafers. There they are. Okay, so we made it home. We finished off at McDonald's and I just have to say I am so proud of Hannah. She has never ever done that before. Whenever we would go to one of those play groups or play areas where there would be tunnels to go up and to go down big slides, she would never do that. She was always scared of it. So I am so proud of her that she was able to do that. She went right to the top and went down that big blue slide. So that was awesome. And there were other kids there too that she could see them doing it. So, and then Sean, he wants to be just like her. He climbs up and he wants to climb up to the top as well, so I think he'll be doing that in no time. He has no fear. He is definitely a daredevil, so that is awesome. Hopefully he doesn't get hurt though. But anyway, so we're home. My mom actually took Hannah to preschool, so because I knew that Sean usually falls asleep in the car when we drive Hannah to preschool. And so this makes it a lot easier. So he fell asleep and I can just transfer him into his crib rather than taking him into the preschool, dropping her off, putting him back in his car seat, and then bringing him home. So yeah, it's a little bit easier this way. So he is going to have a little bit of a nap and I will have some time to relax. But I will probably fold some clothes too, because I have probably about 3 laundry baskets of clean clothes that need to be folded. So I will do that, and then it'll be pretty much time to go pick up Hannah from preschool. So thanks for joining us on our day, and we will continue on in a bit. Oh, I also wanted to say that I am going to probably post a video. I wanted to do this video about children's books and what are my kids' favorite kids' books. So I'm going to probably do that if I can, maybe right now while he's sleeping. So I'll try that and we'll see you all later.
Raining?
Why is it raining? Because it's raining. The clouds are out and it's raining.
Because in my class it was sunny and it wasn't raining. But now it's raining.
It is raining.
We have to put up rain.
So what did we come outside to do, Hannah? Make a hopscotch with your chalk? Where are you going? No, I'm going to come back there. What did Hannah draw? What? Oh, a leaf. Is that a leaf?
Maybe the leaf could rub it off. It's getting that chalk off. And the leaf is getting that chalk off. The leaf is getting that chalk off.
That's paper.
You can't pick
No
it up.
touch, Sean. That's garbage. It's dirty.
dirty.
It's dirty.
But if rain falls on it, it will be clean. And you could touch it.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So what do we have to write on a hopscotch?
Number!
That's right. Which number should we write?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I wanted 1, 2.
Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. High five. Okay, go color some more. Now what are you going to make?
You can do more hopscotch.
You color, Sean. Are you excited?
I'm going to do 10 for light.
Okay, well, give him another one then. Okay, color, Sean. What are you going to color? Good. That was a van. Van. Where did you make your heart, Hannah? Did you make a heart somewhere?
Yeah.
Ooh. Can you write your name? Are you coloring, Sean? Now it's raining a little bit, but hopefully it won't wash away our hopscotch. Oh, a bird! That's a goose. A goose.
Birds are coming, but because no birds are coming, for springtime.
Mm-hmm, that's right. That's a plant.
I forgot.
What do you see, birds? Sean, where is an airplane? Up in the sky? Now what are you doing?
I need something.
Hi. So we just picked up Hannah from preschool, and the kids wanted to play outside even though it's raining a little bit, and we are playing hopscotch. We're using the chalk, the sidewalk chalk. That's an awesome thing to do. And we're playing outside for a while till Daddy gets home. Alright, here's some more clips of the kids. Oh, no, Sean. No, don't touch it. It's dangerous.
Why?
No, don't go there. There's mud. Mud. Are you wearing your little shark's hat? That's a dead flower. That's a dead flower. No touch. That's danger. No, danger. Danger. Guess we're going to have to get a safety one for this one.
Huh?
That's danger.
Hey.
Careful, this is sharp. That's sharp.
What is this sharp?
It's stucco.
Stucco?
And stucco is sharp.
Hey, you could open that.
Yeah, don't open it, please. It's dangerous. Anna? Those are flowers. What are you singing? Hannah, show us what you made at preschool. What? Why not?
I'm looking for it.
Where did it go?
I'm down.
Oh, I put it up here. Silly mommy. Silly mommy. Oh, so tell me about this. It says, where do they live?
Bambi, moose, fox, and chipmunk.
Where do they live? In the grasslands?
Yeah.
Okay. And what else?
Grasslands, oceans.
Tundra?
Huh?
Tundra?
No, Sally's in desert.
Oh, wow. So you separated the animals that live in the grasslands, the oceans,
Hey, what
the tundra, and the
did-
desert? Those are the authors, Robert Munch and Michael Marchenko.
Why is there woman mentioned my potential?
That's the people who wrote the book,
Why?
the authors. That's
Why?
it has their picture because they wrote this book. Did you know that one day you can write a book if you want?
No.
Yeah, you can. You can write a book about whatever you want.
Yeah.
Read the back.
Yeah.
Kristen, said her mother, would you like to see your new baby brother? When Kristen lifts up the blanket, she gets a big surprise. That, says Kristen, is not my baby brother. It's an alligator baby. Where is Kristen's real baby brother?
Alligator.
And how will she get him back?
You want a lid for that?
A hilarious new story from the author of Stephanie's Ponytail, The Paper Bag Princess, and Love You Forever.
I don't know what it is, buddy.
Okay, let's read. Okay. Guess, here, put your hand. Guess what is pink?
No. Nana.
Cake.
Nana.
Yes.
It doesn't let you.
Okay, I'll come and help you right
It's okay, I
away.
can help.
Guess what is baby blue? Baby shoes. The and
Sean,
octopus.
where's Willow?
Oh.
Is that what sound a dog makes?
Would you like to go see Willow? There's Willow.
Oh.
What's Willow doing?
Oh. Oh.
Can you pet Willow? How do you pet her?
Go nice, nice.
Oh. Oh.
Nice Willow. No Willow.
Willow.
There's a robin in our backyard.
Yeah, Willow.
Oh, no kisses.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Willow. Okay, get your food. That's all you can buy. Okay, you want more food?
No.
This food?
No. I want that.
Philly cheesesteak and salad. Sean, are you putting on Hannah's shoes?
Not so much. Look at you can make more. Oh. Say naughty enough, I said.
No.
Are those Hannah's?
Look at you can make more with your fingertips. Here, look. Make lots of the food.
What are those?
All over. Did you see the money you got?
You having fun?
You can put it into, it's called,
Don't sit on it up there, though. Is that your seahorse? Aww. So Sean wanted to play in his crib after bath. How you feeling? You want to come out? No climbing out. Uh-oh. Your foot. Uh-oh. Your foot. Look at that little foot. Where's that little foot? Uh-oh, your foot!
Oh, I know. We need some more in here.
And he's wearing his Christmas PJs because they're so comfy. Your foot! Sean fell fast asleep. Daddy's hard. Hi. So it is now 10 o'clock on the dot, and I believe that I filmed last when Sean was sleeping in the car. And actually, no, we did a little bit of filming when my mom came over with her dog. So I'll show that. But I just basically wanted to tell you what happened for the rest of the night. We had some steak and some Philly cheesesteak sandwiches for supper, and that was delicious. And then my mom came over to visit for a little bit, and then it was really weird because Sean was being really fussy at supper. He was so hungry, but he wasn't eating very much, and I know it's because he's teething. So his cheeks just turned totally red, and he started really biting on things. He was biting on my arm, and he wanted to nurse, but yet he was in pain and he kept moving around. So he actually didn't fall asleep. He usually falls asleep around 8 o'clock or 7:30, 8 o'clock, and he didn't fall asleep till closer to 9. So I hope he doesn't wake up too much tonight. But I just wanted to update you on that, and I think that's pretty much it. Hannah went to bed really well. She was excited to read her books from the library that we got. And I just wanted to say thanks for sharing in our day with us. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and subscribe above. Bye.